Alright, so in this video, we're going to take you through how to manage your notifications. So in other words, whenever someone buys something, a customer buys something, you get notified. I want to make sure that you understand how all of that works. Also, when the customer buys something, they can get notified too. So the first thing is you want to log into the administrative side of your website, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Dashboard to go to the WooCommerce dashboard, and we're going to go to Settings. Under Settings, we're going to click on Emails. This is where you're going to manage your notifications. So now, by default, we've put the email address that you shared with us, we put it in here. Whenever there's a new order that goes through your website, an email is going to be sent to you immediately at this email address. When to change it, you just click Manage. And this is going to take us to a screen where we're able to have what email it's going to go to. We could actually have multiple people in here. That's important to keep in mind too. If you want to receive the emails, you have it checked. If not, you don't check it. Simple as that. This is where you put the subject name, whatever you want the email to say when it comes in, so you recognize it. It might say, new order number, and then this right here means that it would be a tag. So if I just had this, new order, and then I did this, order number, what it's going to do is the system's going to put that in. So what you'll see is new order and then the number. And that can be your email subject too, so that way you'll know what's up when you get an email. And it's going to give you all the email information in there. Okay, now I need to save changes or it's not going to work. And that's how you edit it. Now, if I go back to emails, you'll see that I can actually edit a lot of different notifications. If someone places an order and then cancels it, I'm sure you want to be notified. If it's a failed order, which means that, for whatever reason it didn't go through, that's a good thing to notify people as well. Now for this here, all these other ones, you can see that the default is the customer's going to receive it. So if you have to place their order on hold, the system's going to let them know. If you have to, when the order is processing, the system's going to let them know. When the order is complete, it's going to let them know. You can see, and then the refunds, the invoice gets sent to the customer after they order. You could have a note go out to them. Let's say that you wanted to send them a note. Thank you so much for using our restaurant. You could put this in and it would be attached to their order. That's pretty cool, right? And of course you can test this too. Test this, place an order yourself, just to see how everything works. The email that's sent to your customers, you'll want to change this. You're going to want to put the name of the site in here and your email address. Well, we'll have already done that, but that's where you edit that. And you can modify the email that goes out, but you don't have to. So that's basically how it works. Now, on your side, when an order comes in, you're going to receive an email, but you're also going to be able to see it by going into admin and clicking about on orders. So the orders will appear here, and from here also you can look at past orders, you can look at your customers, all those good things.